This is my day 2 of my circle track adventure here. We got the Sunfire. It's gonna be my car. Then we have a Cavalier, which is a 4-door automatic instead of Caleb's 2-door stick. This is either gonna be a spare parts car or it's gonna be Tommy's car, because Tommy's coming. And then we have a 03 Oldsmobile Alero 2.2, just like all the others. This is gonna be Daytona's car. Big old tank. So I think it's crazy. It's the chassis of the Grand Ams that usually have the 2.4s, the bigger motors, but this one still has a 2.2. So this is the one we found. Both of these at the junkyard. Just picked them up for I think $500 a piece. I had to drive this here. Well, the whole time this thing is, the latch broke on it. I can't get it to shut. It looks like it's been slammed way too many times. But no, it doesn't matter anyways. We don't need it where we're going. Well, I can keep looking at it, or I can start stripping it up. All right, let's check out Daytona's car. Dude, yours is it's nice in here. I almost feel bad. No, I know, it was in a junkyard. I was gonna get crushed anyway. You have power windows, power seats, and your trunk shuts. Okay, I know. Freaking nice interior, but we'll probably try to sell this off, see if somebody needs it. I don't know about the carpets though.
The carpet's trash.
Carpet is trash. I have glass under my seat. Somebody broke a window. Why do you have 2 of those?
I don't know. I have 2.
In case someone breaks it, I guess. Oh, cool. Your shifter has you're able to select 1, 2, and 3, so you should be good. I was doing some research. Pretty much on our track, you're going to be running second place or second gear the whole time. Second place, yeah, you better be second place because I'll be in first.
There we go. Daytona's starting to pull the Alero apart. Get all that interior out of there. We haven't touched the Cav yet. And we got Cody pulling apart his Sunfire. I'm gonna have to join the party and just start pulling this one apart just because. Look how much crap there is in these though. Like, hey look, there's corks and a lighter.
Glass, even though all of the windows are intact.
And glass, because the back window was probably broken out at one point because that looks newer, not original. But yeah, little by little, you know, or just light a match and burn it all down. Don't do that. It's bad for the environment, kids. Don't do that. Look, the Sunfire came with a full-size spare. Well, not full-size. It came with a spare. Came with a spare. It was a donut.
Put this on the rear.
I mean, if you want to slide, you don't even need to change wheels or tires.
I don't. I'm going to run the first race probably with these.
Yeah, I would. No point in buying them. Those are 15s.
They're within the regs. So.
Yeah. Dirt worshiper. It is funny. Tear down. Ugh.
Walked right into it.
It's a little dusty. It's been in Wyoming.
Is that why I can't see out of the windshield?
Oh, yeah. It probably hasn't been washed in a long time.
It's a dirt worshiper.
It is a dirt worshiper.
Oh, that's a ground. Look.
Oh, yeah. Amp ground. Yep, I have to pull all the little clips and dude, you have to pull. You have reverse lights that have to come out.
Those are my afterburners.
Yeah, they got to come out because they're glass. Or plastic. They still have to come out.
Shatterable, so
They still have to come out. Yeah, we got to take the Pontiac emblem thing off the top.
All this wiring can come out.
Yeah. One by one. I wouldn't do it yet.
Yeah, I would just
We'll unclip.
stuff out.
Yeah, unclip all the headlights and taillights and everything. Remove them. We'll put them up on Marketplace for like $2. And then yeah, keep removing all the seats and everything. We'll get all the plastics out. There you go. Getting there? Struggling?
Yes.
After struggling for far too long because there's no electrics and no key, we got the trunk open. After like 20 minutes of struggling with it. So I was pulling the front door apart so we can get it all super light. Cody's making some progress. No back seat. Getting the door panel off. Sometimes these things are a little more on there than you expect them to be almost. But he's got his contingency stickers. That's what's important. To Daytona. How we doing, Daytona? What are we doing?
Almost got this off.
Almost got that off. Can you take the seats out? I'd take the seats out.
Yeah, I can.
So I'd leave your window up. Otherwise it's gonna be full of mosquitoes. Yeah, it already kind of is.
Okay, move on the seat then.
There you go. Get the seat, maybe just get all your rear seats out and all your rear trunk liner and stuff out, you know?
Yep.
Alrighty. Got a pile of trash out of them. Starting to get them taken apart. Getting there. Little by little. You don't realize how much work it is to take stuff out of these cars and take them apart. Like, even though you don't care about it. So many little screws and then clips and you don't have keys. Everything like that just makes it more difficult. But it's coming along. Cool thing, we don't have to change tires on this one. That's awesome. So hopefully the cage comes in. We did get that from Dixson Cage. We'll make our cage for those back two. But we did order one for this one. So hopefully it's here in the next couple days. It's here in the next couple days. That'd be awesome because then we can probably get it welded in and make it by July 9th. Because we're gonna be we'll be in the shop then. So yeah, good stuff. Tenants are getting all their crap cleaned out because they have a lot of stuff here, like all that stuff. So getting all that out of there just so we can get our stuff in, because we have our two storage units full of stuff. So it'll be nice once all their stuff's out of the way, we can bring ours in, bring our whole fleet of cars. Got some work done today, huh, Cody?
Yes, we did. Not as much as I wanted to, but it's really hot today, and mosquitoes are out like crazy. So
yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's probably what? It's probably like 70s right now, in all honesty.
Okay, it's hot for months.
But it's yeah, it got cool, but it's kind of humid today.
Yeah.
The clouds came in. That's what happened. Is the sun started going down, the dew point started going up, and the clouds rolled in. So we didn't stay as dry because it was hot today. It was hot today. But yeah, we'll be back another day to keep tearing these apart. So see you then.
I think one more day we'll get it.
Probably, maybe two.